What to disclose as a seller. Hi, I'm Mary Kay Wright with Properties and the Wright Choice. I'm happy to say that after selling hundreds of homes, my clients and I have never had a lawsuit for not disclosing. What to disclose is important to understand when selling your home. As a homeowner, you need to disclose anything that has ever been repaired, replaced, modified, added, fixed, or changed, as it will help you stay out of litigation. It is essential to go over all the disclosures before putting your home on the multiple listing service or showing your home to a buyer. We want the buyer to have previously reviewed the disclosures before making an offer. This will help ensure the buyer doesn't back out from things they should have already been made aware of. Did you know in Illinois there are a large amount of disclosures that need to be filled out and disclosed? This is a safety net not only for the buyer but also for the seller. Anything from whether or not you live in a floodplain or if you have radon, lead, or other issues that you know about would have to be disclosed. So if you've painted the walls, cleaned or changed the carpets, added new lighting, or fixed the water heater, you need to disclose it. One of my common sayings to my clients is, if you have to ask me if you should disclose it, the answer is almost always going to be yes. Over-disclosing is always better than under-disclosing and will keep you out of the courtroom. You want the buyer to know anything and everything you know about the home. When you disclose properly, you don't have to worry about them coming back to you later telling you they want to go to court or want to extract more money out of you. Obviously, you can only disclose what you know about. If there are issues with the property that you don't know about, then the buyer would have to prove that you did know about it and kept that from them intentionally to win in court. So disclose, disclose, disclose. If you are thinking about selling, give us a call. We have helped hundreds of people just like you in this area. This is Mary Kay Wright with Properties, and we are the right choice for all your real estate needs.